kwenzakalani eSouth Africa? Sivuka nendaba okuthiwa uThabo Bester umuvwe to eBongweni Prison naye. Bafethu theni ngathi yalunga nje country yethu kancinci. Sivuka nendaba ethi uThabo Bester kuthiwa umuvele eBongweni Prison. Ingathi family member thizeni biyombona xa befika bafika kwathi hayi lo muntu akasahlala lapha. Lo muntu usekehlala eBongweni. Leko Cat Matlala. Bafethu thwani lento. Hayi, correctional service irresponde nje ngento ethi it's for security reasons. Bafethu kwenzakalani? Ngapho Cat Matlala ufuna ukuphuma yini eBongweni, ufuna ukubuya eGauteng, igqwetha lakhe ndilivele apho izolo lithetha into yoba hayi abakwazi kuba ne-sessions zabo even xa bethetha ifestire ingaka is as thick as this ngapha kungenzeka noma ne-conversations zabo ziyarekhodwa. Ndalivile kumcimbi waseBongweni into yoba uthi uthetha uneloya negqwetha lakho ngapha barekhoda yonke into. Bafethu kuthiwani? Njengathi kuyalunga nje ngapha kumadlanga commission kuyapetsulwa nje umuntu okumele appeare ndisasuspecta unto usejini Nkosi, but usejini Nkosi lowo igqwetha lakhe belisaza manje ukumlwela into yoba abekho prepared banikezwe nje 4 days. Bafethu nithi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa? Silala ipaint yellow, sivuka ipaint green.
Correctional Services confirms the transfer of offender Thabo Bester to a Bongweni Maximum Correctional Facility. It has to be established that offender transfers are a routine practice guided by established security risk assessments to ensure the safety, security and stability of correctional facilities and the broader criminal justice system. The offender will continue to receive appropriate care in line with the applicable legislative and policy prescripts and will retain full access to legal representation, family communication and court processes. All necessary logistical arrangements will remain in place in order to ensure that court appearances and legal proceedings proceed without any form of disruption.